Hello children, welcome to EVS online class. Today we will revise Unit 4. So first we will begin with the waste. What is waste? So in our life we use different objects and natural resources. We eat food, build homes and wear clothes. We also produce various objects such as furniture, vehicles and machines for making our life comfortable. So all these activities end up with leftover material or unused stuff. This unwanted or unusable material is called waste. Okay. Now types of waste. There are two types of waste. One is the biodegradable and second one is non-biodegradable. Now what is biodegradable? The ability of waste to decompose is very important quality. Waste that decomposes easily and fast is called biodegradable waste. Okay. So the waste which can decompose easily and fast is called biodegradable waste. Animal and plant waste, human body waste, food, clothes and natural fiber, papers and wood are all biodegradable. Now non-biodegradable. Waste that is made up of non-living matter and does not decomposes easily. Such waste is called non-biodegradable. Some examples of non-biodegradable waste are glass bottles, plastic bags, plastic bottles, metal scrap and electronic waste such as TVs, computers and phones. They all are non-biodegradable waste. You can open your SR3. There is a chart given that products how much time they take to degrade. Like paper tissues, they take 2 to 4 weeks. Leftover apple takes 2 months. Then plywood takes 1 to 3 years. Plastic bottles take 100 years to degrade. Then cold drink cans that are made up of aluminium, they take 200 years to degrade. And then glass take means that time is undetermined. We don't know that how much time it takes to degrade. So you can read this chart. This is very important. Now waste management. What is waste management? Waste management is a series of action to handle waste from its creation to final disposal. The aim of waste management is to minimize the harmful effect of waste on earth. You can open SR5. There is a chart given of waste management hierarchy. First step is reduce, then reuse, after that recycle, then recover and then dispose. Yes, so you can learn this table. So what is the right method of managing plastic waste? So what is the right method? It will be recycle. So plastic waste can be recycled. Okay. There are some incorrect method of waste disposal also, that is littering, open burning, dumping. Now what is the bad effect of open burning? So it can cause respiratory problem. Now ash generated by open burning can irritate our eyes also. Okay, so these are the bad effects of open burning. And why is littering bad? Because it generates bad odor. Yes, it can suffocate animals and clog drains. So these are the bad effects of littering. Now what is the most common way of waste disposal? What we people are preferring for common way of waste disposal, that is landfill. Yes. Now the solar system. Now what is solar system? Planets, their satellites and the sun together form the solar system, and moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Now what is rotation? Rotation is a circular movement of an object around itself. The line around which it rotates is called its axis. The axis can be visible or invisible. Okay. Now how much time it takes for one rotation? It takes 24 hours. And rotation causes day and night. Revolution is also a circular movement of an object, but it is around an external axis or another object. Now how much time it takes to complete one revolution? It takes 365 days, that means 1 year. And revolution causes changes in seasons. Okay. Now solar and the lunar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth, and the lunar eclipse occurs when the earth comes in between the sun and the moon. Okay. So waste, we have studied about waste. So waste produced by animal and plants are feces, urine and dry leaves. And waste produced by human beings are plastic wrappers, fruit peels, waste papers and electronic waste. Then we have studied about waste type. So there are two types of waste. One is biodegradable and second one is the non-biodegradable. So biodegradable waste are that degrade by natural cycle, and non-biodegradable, not degraded by natural cycle, stays in the environment for many decades or centuries. Okay. Then waste management. So we have studied the steps to handle waste from creation to the final disposal, and we have studied the chart also. The first step was reduce, then reuse, recycle, and then recovery, and then disposal. Then we have studied about waste disposal method. So the correct way is landfill or incineration, and the incorrect way is littering, dumping and open burning. Then we have studied about rotation. Rotation is the circular movement of an object around itself, and rotation causes day and night on the earth. Then revolution. Revolution is also a circular movement of an object, but it is around an external axis or another object. Okay. And earth experiences different seasons because of its tilt and revolution. Then we have studied about eclipse. There are two types of eclipse. One is the solar eclipse and another one is the lunar eclipse. Is that clear to everyone? With this, we have completed the revision of Unit 4, and along with the video, I will share one revision worksheet also that you have to solve it. And if you face any problem while solving that worksheet, you may call me or you can message me and ask your queries. Solve this worksheet very carefully, as these questions are very important. Prepare Unit 3 and Unit 4 nicely so that you score good marks in your exams. All the best, students. Work hard and score good marks. Bye-bye. Happy learning.